What is the most difficult part of going from being an employee to becoming an independent? And most importantly, how to protect yourself if you're going through this path? Well, this is exactly what I'm going to share in this video. Now, if you are in the process of becoming a freelancer, or if you're thinking about it, there are 3 things that you need to understand about you, the way your brain functions, and how to create new patterns that will help you succeed. The first thing is the routines. Now, our brain is used to always do the same thing, to certain routines, and to always activate the same neuronal circuits. When we are employees, for example, we go to the same office, we see the same people, and we make the same way from work to home. And even in the current context, although we probably are not going physically to the same place, we have created a work routine. Now, that routine is lost when we become independent, and it's very easy to feel lost, sometimes even hopeless, and naturally it makes us doubt the decisions we make. Now, for this reason, it is very important to create new healthy routines, to produce ideas, to do business development, and even for leisure, so that you oxygenate your brain, so that you're able to create with even more authenticity. Number 2 is the income. Now, it is a myth that being independent means that we're going to be earning less. On the contrary, there is potential to earn so much more than you do as an employee. But the truth is that as an employee, we're used to a constant income that comes at the end of the month, regardless of the hours we work, most of the time. Now, as an independent, that income will not be constant, or will not follow the same day, and most of the time will be proportional to the hours we work. Now, it is important that we get used to monthly average and even annual income goals, so that you don't worry too much about the effective monthly net that sometimes occurs, sometimes it doesn't, and that can create a lot of stress. Now, number 3 is the identity. When we are employees, we identify ourselves with the company, with our colleagues, with the sector of industry we work. In other words, we identify ourselves with the system. But when we leave that system, we unconsciously lose a part of that identity, especially if we have worked a long time for that company. So it is essential to start thinking of yourself as your own personal brand, to work on your own identity that will be based on your personal values, your life purpose, your skills, and how you want to contribute to others. That is, it is important that you allow yourself to identify with your own authenticity. Now, these are the 3 main difficulties you will have to face if you're becoming an independent, but no worries, it is all about creating the right mindset and the right habits. So subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos and tips about professional development and especially success mindset.